Hey guys, it's Ty here, and I'm just gonna be going over a play AVEO. This is a recent spiker, a recent breakout actually. This is the 100-day chart right here, where it's we have a breakout from 120s all up to the 212s now. But let me just go over why I was buying the stock. To be honest, I don't even have to go over the stock. My teacher went over it for me. Just go to his blog post, timothysykes.com. This is my mentor, my teacher. He teaches trading penny stocks, trading the volatility of penny stocks. He's great. Started from scratch. This is how I learned. And let's cut all that bullshit. Let's just get into it. So I suggest you to go to timothysykes.com and search for this blog post. Try this every morning and you'll make money. Now you want to go through it and read everything. He teaches you how to profit off of the morning dip, off of these patterns. I mean, not the morning dip, but the morning panic. You can also buy the dip, or you can short sell the panic if you can get shares to short, which is very difficult. So if you can't get shares to short, that's when you dip buy. Yeah, I'll leave. Yes, so this blog post just explains that dip buying and short selling morning panics. Okay, so in this video, he basically says why I bought the stock without even me having to say anything. I want you to listen to what he says on the stock SKLN. This is the same exact pattern. Now you're gonna hear me say the same exact thing as my teacher.
Absolute perfect alert the other day on SKLN, buying it. Where was it? In here. It had already broken out past the day highs.
He's buying it in here, where it's already broken past the day highs at 228. This is a breakout. When you're buying breakouts, you want to look for bumps against the resistance. This is resistance here at 228. It comes up and it bumps it. You want to see, but this is a spike into the bump, spike into resistance, fades down, and usually can have a second spike after. So we try to dip buy somewhere in here and get ready for the breakout. Or if you don't want to risk it, you can just wait for the perfect opportunity and literally just wait for the breakout and buy it. And then you're selling here in the 270s, 280s. Not even that, you can still even hold for another day, and you're making 50% on your money. So that's all he said was to buy the breakout over the day highs.
At 230, got up to the 250s. I dip bought it in here in the 230s when it held. I sold a little too soon because I was.
And it's faded, and usually when stocks spike, they can spike again. So that's why he's dip buying in here, because he's already seen that it spiked today, and this could spike again the next day. So he likes to dip buy spikes right after they've already spiked, because they can spike again. So basically what he says, just buy the breakout over the day high. That's all I'm doing here on AVEO. AVEO is buying the breakout over the day high. Let me try to get a 10-day chart. Okay, I don't know what's going on with E-Trade. Come on, E-Trade. Okay, there we go. Sorry, I can't do nothing about the noise. It's just, I have sisters and brothers. I still live at home, whatnot, stuff like that. So I still have a normal life. I'm just like you guys. I'm normal. I just do boring stuff. But so in here, this is when he's buying the breakout here at 228. That's all he's doing, is buying the breakout over the day highs. That's all I'm doing in AVEO. Buying the breakout in here over the day highs at 138. So you're buying the breakout here, and you're just holding on. And then once it starts bunching up and stuff, that's when you sell. This isn't hard. These are just patterns that happen over and over, because human nature does not change, so these patterns will not change. And that's all I'm doing, is just buying the breakout over the day high here when there's volume coming in, when there's some support here. It's just the pattern. Just fucking buy the breakout over the day highs. Look at former resistance levels and wait for the breakout. That's all you have to do. And if you guys want more technical analysis, more explanation on these, just head over to his website, timothysykes.com. Search for this blog post. Try this every morning and you'll make money. And just go through this blog post and watch every video and read every word. And you can even watch these videos over and over if you don't understand them, just to better understand them. He teaches you here how to buy the breakout, and he goes right over here on how to dip buy. And that's all I'm doing on AVEO, is just buying the breakout here at 140 over the day highs. You're buying the breakout in the morning once you have the morning spike. But even if you miss the spike, just like my teacher says, even if you miss the spike, where he missed the spike on SKLN, but he still dip bought because stocks can spike again. So going back to AVEO, if you miss the breakout at 138 right here, and you're trying to get in and you can't get executed because the stock is just going too fast, that's okay, because you could always dip buy later. You just have to wait for the opportunity. So once the stock spikes and once you start getting the sell-off, just wait until you get some support. There's support here 160s, so you're going to get in the 160s and you're going to hold and you're going to wait and you're going to bank. That's all you have to do. You just wait for the bounce, wait for it to get to the high of the day, see if it can try to break it, which in this case it didn't. It came right back down. So you can buy here, selling here in the $2 range, making like 30 cents a share. Either that, or you can just keep holding and wait for the breakout. But usually if you're buying on a dip, you just want to take profits. That's the whole point of this, is taking profits, because you don't know how far the stock can actually go. But in this case it did, end up coming back near the day highs. But that's all I'm doing, is just looking to buy the breakout over the day highs. If there's volume in here, I just look for bumps against resistance, look to see where it had problems in the past. I look at former resistance levels, just look for the right catalyst, earnings, news, volume, anything I could really push the stock up, and just look to buy breakouts on the way up. And it's not that hard. Just buy the breakout over the next, just buy the breakout over the previous, buy the breakout the next day over the previous day highs, as long as it's holding these highs. And that's about it. If it hits your goal, 10 to 15%, some are 20 to 50%. If it hits your goals, then just take profits. But to be honest, I like dip buying because it's less. Dip buying is more speculative, because you're basically trying to catch falling knives. But when you're dip buying, you can clearly see on your level 2 when buyers are coming in and when sellers are leaving. So when buyers are coming in, there's going to be some support here, if support can hold. And once it starts holding, that's when you get in. Look where you're getting in. Look at your risk reward here. If you're getting in at 162, say you don't catch the exact bottom at 159. Say you get in at 162, 163, 165-ish. There's still, 5 cents? Not even. like 5 cents of downside here and 30 cents of upside. That's superior risk reward. And that is how you want to think about every trade going into it. You just want to be like a sniper. You want to be able to plan and execute, wait for plays that fit your pattern, and this fits my pattern of the breakout. Just don't trade if you don't see plays that fit the pattern. Focus on high percentage trades. That's all I can do. There's not really much to do with this. I mean, I know you guys think that there's a lot that goes behind this. It's not really much. Just trading this over and over, and this happens over and over in the stock market. AVEO is not the only one that broken out just like this, where you're buying the breakout over the previous day high. And just like in this video, SKLN, Tim goes over where he bought the breakout over the day high, which is right here. This is the previous day high, is at 230. He bought the breakout 234. You know, he makes money. It's not an exact science. You know, you just have to learn to spot these plays and learn to be prepared and learn to wait for the perfect opportunity to be able to take advantage of these opportunities out here. I can't even really talk, dude. I'm so tired right now. It's not even funny. But yeah, that's basically all you're doing, just buying the breakout over the day highs. This is not the first time this has happened. You know, as I just explained here, my teacher just went over this. If you also go to, okay, so SKLN, my teacher brought the breakout in that one. DTCH is another one. Where is it? So DCTH. So you're buying the breakout here. You're buying the breakout the next day at 12 cents, at 11 cents a share, because this is the breakout right here at 11 cents. You're buying the breakout over the previous day high, buying the breakout over the previous day high. And if you miss it, then oh well, you could dip buy, you can still make money. You just have to learn how to capitalize. You have to study. You have to study to learn these patterns. You have to study to learn when to dip buy. You have to study to learn when to exit. It's not just waking up and then just buying a stock and then leaving. But yeah, and I would look to trade these setups again and again, because these setups happen again and again. They don't really change much. So I'm just going to keep looking for penny stock breakouts, especially in this bull market right now, and just look to take advantage of them. Just wait for some volume, important news. Just wait for all my indicators to go off. Thank you.